You can build a meditation habit in 21 days, but you can begin to get the benefits of meditation after just a couple of minutes. My sincerest hope in this series is that just a few minutes every day will support you in what's happening for you each day, with connecting to yourself, with relating to others, finding greater focus in your work, enhanced productivity, creativity, imagination, and a place of settling into home. And what I mean by home is this place that is within us always. This place of peace and safety from where we can make good decisions, a place from where we can take great care for ourselves, which then naturally spills out to others. I have over 21 ways that we can do this, and I'll be sharing it in this series. I am sure you will learn something that can either help you to create this habit and surely to affirm your life. See you soon.